Bogle. Come on, folks, give him a hand. Fighting out of the red corner, weighing 187, is a debut fighter. He's 28 years old, fighting for ASGC. He's 6 foot even, 70-inch reach. His hometown is Houston, Texas. He is Thomas Eastland. His opponent tonight out of the blue corner, weighing at 187 also. A debut fighter, 20 years old, fighting out of Wall MMA. He's also 6 foot even with a 69-inch reach. It's about as close as you can get it on this one, folks. He's from Henrietta, Oklahoma. He is Waylon Bogle.
Oh, sorry about that. Come on, Thomas. Yeah, stay on it. Yeah, get that mouth and make it rain. Come on. Yeah, keep hammer fisting it. Oh, God. Keep going, buddy. Yeah. Yeah, yeah. Woo! Thomas. Yeah. Yeah. That's the way to end the fight right there. Hell yeah, Thomas!
For your official announcement. 104 the first round by referee stoppage. Your winner out of the red corner, Thomas Eastland.